Assalamu alaikum students, welcome back with a new video for the new class. It's for class 4. Today we are going to read lesson number 2 for class 4. The lesson name is Going to School. Yes, everybody, you have the books. Please open your books. Today we are going to read about going to school. In this chapter there are two students, Dora and Wagons, and they both are the children and they both are the brother and sisters, siblings, and they were totally excited because their parents are about to move out from the town. इनके पेरेंट्स जो है वो टाउन से जाने वाले हैं बाहर, and now his father's brother is here. Uncle Andy is coming to their house to look after these childs. So these childs are very excited that because Uncle Andy is the very excited person, very exciting and interesting person. He is about to do the exciting things every day. So the children is saying that when Uncle Andy will come at our house, so we will become more excited and become more interested because he will take out us outside and we will go to watch the movie, to watch the football match or something else. So the children were very excited that when they had heard that Uncle Andy is about to come to their house to look after them. So it's the day when they both were out and they have to go to the school. Dora and Wagon, they both are the siblings. I had told you earlier they are the siblings. So Uncle Andy, he was saying goodbye to them, and he was saying that when you come back from the school, then I have a surprise for both of you. So the children were very excited that they were totally eager. वो चाहते थे कि अभी पता चल जाए कि आप लोग सरप्राइज क्या है, but Uncle Andy had refused that कि no, you have to go to school, and then when you come back to school, then I will come back from school, then I will tell you that what's the surprise for you. So Dora and Wagon, during the during the way, they were just thinking that might be Uncle Andy would take us to the movies time, or might be he will take us to the some park or something else. So they were just tickling us, or they were just having the idea कि हमें Uncle Andy कहाँ ले जाने वाले हैं. So when they were moving towards the bus stop, and when they reached the bus stop, they find it out there was no one on the bus stop. The bus has left, and only the one kid's mother was standing over there, and she had said that you had left the bus. So Dora was starting crying by listening that she had missed the bus. So the lady had said that there is no kind of panic over here, and you have to go back to home, and said to Uncle Andy that he will drop to you. So both the children had ran towards the house, and then they said to Uncle Andy that we have missed the bus, so you have to let us to go to school. Then Uncle Andy had said that okay, it's your day now, you have to be do the off from the school, and I will take you to some auto expo center where you will see the vintage car. Now, what is auto expo center and what are vintage car over here? बेटा पुराने ज़माने की कुछ क्लासिक कार्स होती है, तो उनका एक सेंटर, एक शोरूम होता है जिन्हें ऑटो एक्सपो सेंटर कहा जाता है. और विंटेज कार का मतलब ये है कि जो बहुत पुराने ज़माने की जो कार्स होती है उनका एक सेंटर कहा जाता है. तो अंकल एंडी ने कहा कि मैं आपको वहाँ पे लेके जाऊँगा. बट सडनली द वॉगन्स, द किड, द बॉय, वो दो सिबलिंग में जो है वो भाई लड़का जो था उसने एकदम शाउट किया कि नो, इट्स आवर फुटबॉल मैच विद द क्लास 4. हमारा फुटबॉल मैच होने वाला है क्लास 4 के साथ. आज हमारा फुटबॉल मैच है, सो आई हैव टू बी देयर. मुझे वहाँ पे लाजमी पहुँचना है एनी हाउ. एंड देन एट द सेकेंड नेक्स्ट टाइम डोरा हैड सेड दैट आई हैव द टेस्ट, मेरा टेस्ट भी है, मुझे भी लाजमी उस टेस्ट को अटेम्प्ट करना है. सो वी हैव टू गो टू स्कूल. सो अंकल एंडी हैड सेड दैट सो ओके, देयर इज नो काइंड ऑफ पैनिक ओवर हियर, लेट अस मूव टुवर्ड्स द स्कूल इन माय कार. सो Uncle Andy had brought them towards the school. Uncle Andy had asked that, do you know the way of your school? So the Dora and the Wagons had said that yes, we know where the way of our school, because we used to move from the bus on the daily basis, so we know the way. So अब चले गए हैं अंकल एंडी, डोरा और वॉगन्स जो है वो कार में बैठ चुके हैं. नाउ दे आर टुवर्ड्स द स्कूल. नाउ डोरा एंड वैगन वाज एक्चुअली डिस्क्राइबिंग द वे टू द अंकल एंडी टुवर्ड्स द स्कूल. Dora had said that towards the right, the Wagon had said towards the left, and this like this they were moving towards the school. But Uncle Andy was totally in confusion that might be the the Vogons and the Dora was telling the way in a wrong way. Might be they don't know, but after half an hour they had reached the school. So Uncle Andy had said that why you had tell me such a long road. So the Dora and Vogan had said that this is the our bus route, and we used to move, or we used to come to school from this way, from this road, so we only know this way, we don't know the shortcut. So Uncle Wagon had said it, okay, but I was also right, I also know the way of your school. So this was the just the creasing between these and the both children and the Uncle Andy. So after that, after half an hour, with the help of the Uncle Andy's car and with the help of the way of Dora and Vaughan, they both had reached the school and they had attempted their test and the match. Okay, this is the chapter, we have done it, and this is it's a kind of a comprehension type. It's a kind of comprehension in which three characters are the most important: Dora, Vaughan, and the Uncle Andy. Yes, Uncle Andy. Who was the Uncle Andy? Uncle Andy was the brother of Dora and Vaughan's father. Yes. Now on page number 18, yes, on page number 18, it's the tick the correct answer. There are 4 tick the correct answer. What you have to do, you have to read first one. Let me read first one for you. Dora and Vaughan were excited because Dora and Vaughan जो है वो excited थे. क्यों excited थे? First, they were going to school. School जा रहे थे वो. Their parents were away. उनके parents चले गए थे. Uncle Andy was going to look after them. Uncle Andy आने वाले थे उनको देखने के लिए या उनकी देखभाल करने के लिए. So the third one, C option is right. Uncle Andy is coming to look after them. So now second, third and fourth, you have to do it by yourself after reading this chapter, watching my video. Then you are able to do this by yourself. You have to just put the tick on the right ones. Okay, now after that, yes, and on page number 19, it's one other exercise. Number these sentences in the correct order. Number these sentences in the correct order. Yes, 1 2 3 4 5. 5 sentences are here. Now you have to read these sentences and then you have to put the numbers. आपने numbers लगाने हैं कि पहला नंबर जो है, मतलब फर्स्ट नंबर वो किस सेंटेंस में आए, किस सेंटेंस के आगे आने वाला है, सेकंड किसके अंदर आने वाला है, थर्ड, फोर्थ एंड देन फिफ्थ वन. जैसे कि फर्स्ट आपका यहाँ पे सेंटेंस लिखा हुआ है, द चिल्ड्रन वर एक्साइटेड बिकॉज अंकल एंडी हैड केम टू स्टे विद देम. जी हाँ. और सेकंड सेंटेंस है, अंकल एंडी ऑफर टू टेक देम टू सी विंटेज कार एट द ऑटो एक्सपो. थर्ड, द चिल्ड्रन मिस द स्कूल बस. थर्ड सेंटेंस. फोर्थ वन, वॉगन सेड दैट ही होप अंकल एंडी वुड टेक देम टू सी अ फुटबॉल मैच. Dora and Vaughan's parents had gone out of a town. Now here are 5 sentences. Now I had read all the 5 sentences. Now the first one sentence is Dora and Vaughan's parents were gone out of town. सबसे पहली बात ही ये हुई है कि डोरा और वॉगन के पेरेंट्स जो है वो टाउन से बाहर चले गए. तो दिस इज द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस. तो यहाँ पे आपको first put करना है. Then after reading the other sentences you have to put the second, third, fourth and fifth number according to the chapter. Okay class, so this was our chapter and we will do the written work inshallah later on, and till that watch my video and also read this chapter once or twice so that it would easily be explained to you, it will easily be understandable to you. Until that, remain your homes and keep safe yourself. Till then, Allah Hafiz.